New guidance just released on school bus safety for the fall from the Department of Education. Officials say that masks must be worn by all staff and students, regardless of age. Capacity on most buses will be cut to about 30%. No more than one student will be seated per bench. Brothers and sisters will be allowed to sit together, and seats will be assigned. Windows must remain open except in extreme weather conditions. Many schools are considering new start and dismissal times to accommodate these transportation changes.